Lou. So, I want to recommend a new world that I have recently stumbled on. This is called Trains in Snow. Yeah, it's a quaint little world that I've found, and whoever made it, I want to just say you did a good job because it's nice, it's crazy, it's a good little place to roleplay and just have fun. So, yeah, I like this one. I like the fact that there's a train that comes past every now and then. But yes, I like this world a lot. So yeah. So whoever made it really did a good job. Hmm. Well, anyway, keep being floofy and just bye.